This train is bound to glory, this train. This train is bound to glory, this train. This train is bound to glory, don't care nothing about a rind hold. This train is bound to glory, this train. I'm going down this old dusty road. I'm going down this old dusty road. Well, I'm going down this old dusty road. But I ain't gonna be treated this way. Take a damn dollar shoe to fit my feet. Take a damn dollar shoe to fit my feet. Take a damn dollar shoe to fit my feet. Lord, Lord, well, I ain't gonna be treated this way. Lots of folk begins to say, living home every day, heading the dust way to the California line. Well, across the desert sand road, get it out of oldest boat, think the gun's sugar bowl, here is what they find. For the police at the boat of Andrews say, here number 14,000 for the day. If you ain't got a do-re-mi, folks, ain't got a do-re-mi, you better go back to beautiful Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Georgia, Tennessee, California. You've got enough freedom, a paradise to live in a sea. But believe it or not, you won't find it so hot if you ain't got a do-re-mi. Oh, this train don't carry no gamblers, this train. This train don't carry no gamblers, this train. This train don't carry no gamblers, liar and thief or big shot ramblers. This train don't carry no gamblers, this train. Way down in Columbus Stockade, hard to be back in Tennessee. Way down in Columbus Stockade, where my friends wait back on me. You can go and leave me if you want to. Never let me cause you're mine. In your heart you laugh and utter, leave me darling, I don't mind. Many mountains come and gone since I wandered from my home. There's Oklahoma is where I was born. Many pages my life has turned, many lessons I've learned, and I feel like in those hills where I was born. Way down yonder on the Indian Nation, right upon yonder reservation, in the Oklahoma hills where I was born, where I was born. Way down yonder on the Indian Nation, cowboy's life's my occupation, in the Oklahoma hills where I was born. As I was walking that ribbon of highway, I saw above me that endless skyway. I saw below me that golden valley. This land was made for you and me. This land is your land, this land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from Redwood Forest to the Gulf waters, this land was made for you and me. Oh, this train is bound glory, this train. This train.